Yeah. I can't have the tissue before you.
What's up, guys? You don't know it's gang. We got an extra gang in here. Who's the gang, bro? Who's the gang?
What's
Who's this
your
gang?
name?
Who's this
What's
gang?
your new name?
Hmm?
You say it. Yeah, you're about to say it. Come on.
Who? What's your name, bro? What's your name? What's your name? You don't know this is my brother and his name is Bradley because he's being shy. I don't know why.
And he's been in all the videos already.
Yeah, he's acting shy. What are you acting shy for?
He doesn't want his girlfriends to see him.
So the video we got. So the video we got going on today is called
How to speak Jamaican. So we're gonna teach Bradley how to say some Jamaican slang. So
he knows some.
Patois, basically.
He knows some because when he's mad, it comes out sometimes. Will you touch me thing, fuck? And he's gonna act shy. I know this for a fact. Alright, so we're gonna start with the first one.
Okay, so
say it. Wagwan.
it means what's up.
It means what's up, but say wagwan. Like say
You say it.
You have to say it.
Wagwan.
Wagwan. Bullet? Say bullet, right? Say bullet. Say bullet.
Bullet.
No, have a go so. Bullet?
I don't even know.
Say wagwan bullet.
I've never heard of that.
No, you said it. Say bullet.
It's a bullet.
Say booyaka.
Boyaka.
Say booyaka. Alright, so for the next one, say little more.
I have never heard of that word
You
ever.
did-
Just say it.
Yeah, that's what they say when they say bye. Like later. Little more.
I have never heard you guys say that.
Say little more, you have to say it.
Little more.
No, lickle. Lickle more. Lickle more. Lickle more.
Little more.
Say it again.
Little more.
Dog nyame sopo.
I know you heard your mother tell you that.
She has never told me that.
Wait, you don't do your homework on time? Dog nyame sopo.
Wait, so that means eat your food?
No. It's a terminology like
What?
dog nyame sopo.
What does it mean?
It means but it means
That's it.
Yeah, bad. Like when you don't do your homework, dog nyame sopo.
She's never
You
told me that.
you going to school the next day, dog nyame sopo. Cause you don't have your homework, dog nyame sopo. So you're gonna get beaten when you're done. Make come home.
No.
Your mother beat you?
We both know that answer.
Alright, so let's see. Say it, Bradley. Dog nyame sopo.
Dog name yourself up.
Oh,
That was good. Hit like one for Bradley right now. Your mother must say this to you. All who can hear will feel.
She has never told me that.
Yes.
Yes, she has. Trust me, because when maybe she was lighting up on you, but when me back in my days, all who,
What do you think that means? All who can hear will feel.
Like when you don't listen?
yes, there you go, there you go.
You're gonna get what
Sometimes, majority of the time, don't listen, so you get beaten.
All who can hear will feel.
All who can't hear can feel.
All who can hear will feel.
Oh, will feel. It's a cat. Well, same thing.
Alright, next one. Me give you nothing for ball ball.
Oh, she told me that.
Basically, teaching her Jamaican.
This is everything you want to tell you when you're growing up.
So like when you're crying, she just beats you still.
There you go. Alright, so say it.
So say it now.
Making you something to talk about.
How much time you said that? How much time she said that today?
I'm like 2 at least.
2 a day. Me feel for some ackee and saltfish.
What is that?
You eat
I can't solve it. You like it? You don't know Aki, the yellow thing?
Yes.
Your
and
mommy cook it.
Your mommy always make it for breakfast.
What?
I'm having a brain fart, people.
Oh my god.
My mother cook Aki and saltfish.
Oh, she never cooked me that.
Alright, so say it. My feed for some Aki and saltfish.
If you for some ackee and saltfish.
Say it again, say it again.
I don't know how to say.
Me feel fit.
Me feel fit.
Some ackee and saltfish.
Ackee saltfish.
Me feel fit some ackee and saltfish.
I don't know.
Say it, one more.
Me feel like some ackee and saltfish.
Alright, we passed on that one. Oh, this is Bradley's favorite Jamaican line.
What?
So, are you ready for it?
Yeah.
You know where Batman come from?
Oh my god, you say that every day. You say it every single day.
Alright, so you must know what.
Alright, come.
Go, say it now.
I don't know what it means though.
But
Alright,
just
just
say
say
it.
You know where Batman come from?
Kiss me granny neck back.
Wait, you want me to kiss your grandma's neck?
Neck.
Neck.
You want me to kiss your grandma's neck?
Guys, say it. I'm so embarrassed right now, guys.
I don't know how to say that. I don't want to say that. No, I don't want to say
It doesn't mean that though.
It doesn't mean that.
I still don't want to say it. I'm good.
Maybe he's like, oh my god, like kiss my granny neck back. Like something happened to you. I can't believe that, yeah. Kiss my granny neck back. Kiss my
You
granny
can
neck
use it
back.
for many meanings.
Yeah. Try to say it. Kiss.
Kiss.
No, you can't say it like
Yeah,
that.
alright. Kiss my granny.
Kiss me granny neck back.
Kiss me granny neck back.
You just say that. Neck.
I'm sorry. I have a problem.
Kiss my granny neck back. Kiss my granny neck back.
Oh,
Say kiss
Kiss
my
my
granny neck back.
Grandma.
But instead of mine, say kiss me granny neck back.
kiss me granny neck back.
Boom me. You know about boom? Say boom there, boom. Then it boom. I don't really like this too.
What else?
Alright, on to the next one. This is what you're going to do for pick up a girl, right?
Whoa.
No.
So you're going to go, you're going to be like, say, psst, call into a girl, right? So you're going to be, psst, baby.
Baby.
You look fluffy.
What?
You look fluffy.
What are you saying?
Fluffy. You look fluffy.
I have no idea what you're
Nice and round. You look nice, juicy, nice, fluffy. You look fluffy. She have a big bumper. You know the bumper?
No.
Alright, I said dumper truck.
What is that?
Alright, say, baby, you look fluffy. Say, psst, baby, you look fluffy.
Baby, you look fluffy.
It's crazy.
Guys, I'm gonna carry him good on to Jamaica here.
What?
You must have heard this. A yes so nice.
Oh, yeah.
A yes so nice. Remember that song?
What
You
song?
probably don't know the
You
song.
know the song.
What
He
song?
probably doesn't know.
Alright, ready? A yes so nice.
A yes or nice.
What's the meaning of yes so nice?
What's a yasso? What?
He said what's a yes so?
You're like,
Right,
here,
this is
right
nice.
here,
Oh.
this is nice. A yes so nice. It's Christmas trees, a yes so nice. You know, this couch, a yes so nice.
Oh, that means
Or
you
this
like
party
it.
nice.
Yeah, like this part is nice. It's just a term.
Oh, so like you like.
You like it,
Yeah.
you're having fun or whatever.
Cheese on me butt me toe. Cheese on me butt me toe.
I never heard of that, but I always hear, oh, jeez, oh, please.
Jesus Christ. What would say?
I say, Jesus Christ.
Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. I'm one of the DJ.
You say it nice.
So my mother has this thing, right? It's not nice. She said it's noise. This noise. She eat ice cream. Eat noise. So eat noise. Say.
Noise.
Oh more Jamaican words.
We'll do a part 2 if you want it. Hit the like button, comment, share, subscribe. We're doing notification shout out right now. You don't know notification shout out time, but before we do it, we gotta talk about these shirts.
Yep.
These shirts right here. You don't know. Big up to the Rum Shop collection. Big up.
We're gonna link it below if you want to check it out. You can go on Instagram.
Yeah,
and
on his shirt. The first notification shout out goes to
John Apollo Ramsey.
But big up your damn self.
Right
here.
Next
Second one.
shout out goes to Brittany Henry.
Brittany Henry, big up your damn self. You go right here. Boom.
Last shout out goes to Certi.
Certi, big up your damn self. Your shout out goes right here. Clap boy. You don't know, we're out. Love you guys. Hit the like button.
Yeah. I can't have the tissue before you